Today I am going to teach you how to easily add moody orange tone for this picture using the Lightroom mobile app. So, let's start editing. First, go to Light. Bring the contrast -30. Highlights to -60. Shadows to +50. Whites and blacks to -30. Now go to Curve. I have copied the previous curve settings. And done. Next go to Color. Bring the tint -10. Vibrance to +30. Bring the saturation +60. Now go to Color Mix. Bring the saturation -10 for the red. Now go to Orange, bring the hue -25, saturation to -40, and luminance to +20. Next go to Yellow, bring the hue -100, and saturation to -50. Now go to Green, bring the hue -50, and saturation to -100. Now bring the saturation -100, for all other colors. And done. Now go to Effects. Bring the clarity +40. Days to +20. Bring the vignette -20, and midpoint to 15. Now go to Profiles. Select the Vintage 1 profile, and bring the amount to 5. Finally go to Details. Bring the sharpening to 10. Noise reductions, and color noise reductions, to 10. Look the final result. Goodbye guys, see you again in another video like this.